Yeah, hi Shanaya, how are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine. Okay. So today we will be doing fractions. Do you know what fractions are?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So basically, fractions are nothing but a part of the whole. Okay. I'll give an example. Let's say this is one pizza. So how many total slices this pizza have?
8.
8. This means when we join the whole 8 slices, we'll get one new pizza.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So the whole is 8. Yeah. And if you have eaten 2 of it, so how many slices you have eaten? 2.
6.
So can you say that you have eaten 2 slices out of the 8 slices of the pizza?
Yes, ma'am.
So how do we express that? If I want to express it numerically, how will I express that? I'll express it like this: 2 divided by 8, where 2 is the part, right? 2 is the part of that 8 slices, and 8 is the whole. Did you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, chalo. Tell me this: how will I express this one in fractions? If this is the shape I have, okay, can you tell me how will I write it in the fraction if I want to ask how many squares are colored?
4, ma'am.
4 are colored, okay. And how many squares are in total?
8.
So I'll write 4 divided by 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay, let's
Yes,
try one more. If this is the shape I have, now write the fraction for the uncolored part. How many total parts are there?
4.
4. So I'll write 4 here.
Yes, ma'am.
And how many uncolored parts are there?
3.
How many?
3.
3. So I'll write 3 by 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now, whenever, okay, so see, if I'm writing something like this, right? This means 4 is a part of the 8 slices. Yes. So, beta, this 4 is known as the numerator. What is known as the
Numerator.
numerator? And this is known as the denominator.
Denominator.
Denominator. So, this is the numerator and this is the denominator. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, let's try one more. Okay, tell me how many parts are colored in this?
3.
3. So 3 will be my numerator or denominator?
Numerator.
Numerator. And what will be my denominator?
5.
5. Very good. Did you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Chalo. Now let's see. Okay, this is the what fractions are. Okay. Now we have different types of fraction. Types of fraction. First is proper fraction. What is a proper fraction? When numerator is smaller than the denominator. Okay? How do you find if it's a proper fraction or not? What you will look at?
Color.
Okay, tell me, is this a proper fraction?
Yes, ma'am.
Why it is a proper fraction? Why? What? How do you
Ma'am, your
judge it's a
full
proper
screen is not
fraction or not?
visible.
Sorry,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
your full screen is not visible.
Oh, just a
Half,
second.
only half the screen is visible. Yeah. No, only half the screen is visible. Yeah.
Now it's fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Now it's full screen visible.
Okay. Now, but how you judge it's a proper fraction or not? When our numerator is smaller than the denominator. In this case, is the numerator is smaller than denominator? Yes, Shania?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, can you give me one more example of a proper fraction?
डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमिनेटर से बड़ा होएगा.
हाँ ठीक है, डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर से बड़ा होगा. तो कैन यू गिव मी एन एग्जाम्पल? आप कोई ऐसे एग्जाम्पल बता सकते हो, कोई ऐसी फ्रैक्शन जिसमें डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा हो न्यूमरेटर छोटा हो? एनी फ्रैक्शन दैट कम्स इन योर माइंड?
6/8.
6 by
8.
8. Very good. See, our denominator is greater, so this is a proper fraction. Now, next we have is improper fraction. So in proper fraction, numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay? क्या होता है improper fraction में? शनाया?
न्यूमिनेटर डिनोमिनेटर से बड़ा होता है.
न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर से बड़ा होता है. वेरी गुड. तो ये हमारी प्रॉपर इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन है.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now can you give me one example?
Yes, ma'am. 8/2.
8/2. Very good. So this is an improper fraction. Then we have third kind of fraction, that is mixed fraction. Beta, in mixed fraction, it's a fraction with two different parts. In this fraction, we have two different parts. One whole number and one fraction. Okay, I'll give you an example how it looks like. Let's say this is we have. Now, can you see we have two different parts in this? This one is the fraction. This 2/3 is the fraction and this 1 is the number. Yes, Shania?
Yes, ma'am.
So in mixed fraction, we have two parts. One is the whole number and other one is the fraction. Okay, sure. Now can you tell me the names of the what kind of fractions we have learned abhi tak? First one was proper fraction.
fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction.
Very good. What is a proper fraction?
जब न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर से छोटा होता है.
Very good. Numerator denominator से छोटा होता है. Improper fraction?
जब डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर से छोटा होता है.
ठीक है. Very good. And mixed fraction?
जब 1 पूरा होता है और दूसरा नंबर आधा होता है.
1 पूरा होता है, दूसरा नंबर आधा होता है. ओके. तो क्या ये मिक्स ओके, थोड़ा और अच्छे से बताओ बेटा. मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में ना वी विल से एक नंबर, एक होल नंबर होता है और एक फ्रैक्शन होता है. ठीक है. ओके, चलो लेट्स डू वन क्वेश्चन. क्लासिफाई the following in proper, improper and mixed fraction. Chalo, what is first one? Is proper or improper or mixed?
Proper.
Proper fraction. Why it is a proper fraction?
क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा है न्यूमरेटर से.
ठीक है. Very good. What about B?
Improper.
Improper fraction. C?
Proper.
Very good. D?
Mixed.
Mixed. E?
Improper.
Improper. And F?
Mixed.
Mixed. Okay. Very good. Chalo, let's do a few more questions. Write the fractions for the following. Okay, so in this you have to write the fraction for both colored part as well as non-colored part. Okay. Yes, Shanaya?
Yes.
Okay, first for A, what will be the fractions for the colored part?
3.
Huh?
3.
Okay, so 3 will be what?
Numeral.
Numerator. And what will I have the denominator in this?
5.
Why 5 is the denominator?
5 पार्ट्स क्योंकि कलर नहीं है.
No, I'm okay. 5 parts colored nahi hai. So if you have to write the fraction for the colored parts, तो colored parts के लिए क्या fraction लिखेंगे बेटा? Total parts कितने हैं?
Total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8
8 parts. तो बेटा fraction कैसे लिखते हैं? Total parts divided, डिनोमिनेटर में हमारे टोटल पार्ट्स आते हैं, न्यूमरेटर में क्या आता है, कितने कलर्ड है या कितने अनकलर्ड है. ठीक है, तो कलर्ड कितने हैं इसमें? 3. So my fraction will be 3/8. समझ आया?
Yes.
ओके, व्हाट अबाउट अनकलर्ड? अनकलर्ड के लिए क्या फ्रैक्शन होगा?
Three by 5.
सॉरी,
5 by 8.
5/8. वेरी गुड. बी पार्ट बताओ, अनकलर्ड के लिए क्या फ्रैक्शन होगा इसमें? लेट मी कलर दिस आल्सो. चलो अब बताओ. टोटल पार्ट्स कितने हैं?
5 by 8.
अनकलर्ड पार्ट्स कितने हैं बेटा? 1 2 3 4. तो फ्रैक्शन विल बी
4 by 8.
4/8. वेरी गुड. इसमें बताओ अनकलर के लिए कितना होगा? सी में
2 by 4.
2/4. वेरी गुड. चलो एक और ट्राई करते हैं. अब इसमें आप मुझे कलर्ड के लिए बताना. ओके, बताओ कितने कलर्ड पार्ट्स और कितने टोटल पार्ट्स हैं?
2 colored part, 3 total.
टोटल पार्ट 3 है.
No. 1 2 3 4. Total 5.
टोटल 5. तो फ्रैक्शन क्या बनेगी?
2 by 5.
2/5. वेरी गुड. समझ आ रहा है शनाया?
Yes.
ओके, चलो लेट्स ट्राई फ्यू मोर. Write the fraction for the colored part again. चलो ए के लिए बताओ, कलर्ड पार्ट के लिए क्या फ्रैक्शन होगा?
1 by 1.
1/1. How many parts are there? Beta, how many parts are there in A?
2 parts.
2 parts. So the fraction will be
2 by 1.
2/1. डिनोमिनेटर में होल आता है या न्यूमरेटर में होल आता है?
Denominator.
डिनोमिनेटर में. तो होल में कितने पार्ट्स हैं बेटा?
2.
2. और कलर्ड कितने हैं?
1.
1. So the fraction will be 1/2. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, next वाला b के लिए the fraction will be
1/3.
1/3. Very good. And c के लिए the fraction will be
2/4.
2/4.
4.
Yes. Okay. Now, can you tell me, are all these proper fractions or improper fractions?
Proper.
Sorry?
Proper.
Proper fractions. Very good. Okay. Let's do one more. Sunita and Ram are two friends. They are eating a pizza which has 10 slices. Sunita ate 4 slices and Ram ate 5 slices. Write the fraction for the slices Sunita ate. Sure. Read the question very carefully and tell me what is given. Yes, Shanaya?
Four by 10.
Sorry?
4/10.
Very good. Sunita ate 4 slices. The fraction will be 4/10. And what about Ram? For the fraction, Ram के लिए क्या fraction होगा?
5/10.
5/10. Very good. And okay, slices जो बची हैं उनके लिए क्या fraction होगा? कितनी slices बची हैं?
1.
1. So what will be the fraction?
1/10.
1/10. Very good. And okay, what will be the fraction of total eaten slices? Total slices कितने खाए हैं दोनों ने मिलके?
9.
9. So the fraction will be
9/10.
9/10. Very good. Did you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. Sure. Let's do one more then. Okay. Rahul and Raj are playing a board game which has 24 squares in total, out of which Raj owns 10 squares and Rahul owns rest of the squares. Write the fraction for the squares owned by Rahul. Yes.
Fourteen by 24.
Sorry?
14 by 24.
14 by 24. Very good. Okay. Now, can you also tell me the fraction for the Raj?
10 by 24.
10 by 24. Okay. Is 10 by 24 proper fraction or improper fraction?
Proper.
Proper fraction. Very good. Okay. So now can you tell me what we have learned till now, Bitak?
Fractions.
Fractions. Fractions में क्या पढ़ा? What? Okay. I'll question, you'll answer. Okay. What are the two parts of the fraction? किन दो पार्ट से मिलके फ्रैक्शन बनता है?
Numerator, denominator.
न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर. न्यूमरेटर कौन सा होता है जो नीचे आता है?
मैम ऊपर वाला.
ऊपर वाला is numerator. Very good. Okay. And what type of fractions we have? How many type of fractions we have?
Proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction.
Very good. Proper fraction क्या होता है?
जिसमें न्यूमरेटर छोटा होता है डिनोमिनेटर से.
Very good. Improper fraction क्या होता है?
जिसमें डिनोमिनेटर छोटा होता है.
न्यूमरेटर से. Very good. And mixed fraction क्या होता है?
जिसमें एक होल नंबर होता है और एक हाफ नंबर होता है.
हाँ, एक होल नंबर होता है और एक फ्रैक्शन होता है. ठीक है? Okay. चलो. Now we'll learn one more thing. We can convert mixed fraction into proper fraction. Okay? So let's see how do we do that. So, wait, let me write it. This is a mixed fraction, Shania.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll convert it into a proper fraction. How do we do that? Okay. What's the denominator in this?
4.
4. And what is the whole number in this?
3.
Sorry?
3.
Beta, whole number. 3 is the numerator, no? What is this number?
2.
2. So 4 is the denominator and 2 is the number?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. We multiply denominator and whole number. So what is 4 times 2?
8.
8, right? And then we will add numerator to it. Now add numerator. What is numerator?
3,
So what is 8 plus 3?
11,
11. So my new numerator will be 11 and my denominator will be same, which is 4. Okay? Yes? Let's try this one. This is a little complicated, so we'll take time. Okay. Now, first what I'll do,
6
इन
को
दो नंबर
3 से मल्टीप्लाई,
हाँ 6 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करके क्या आएगा?
6, 18,
18. And then what will I do?
18 plus 4,
Which is?
22,
So my 22 will be numerator or denominator?
numerator,
Numerator. And my denominator will be
4, 6,
6. Okay, let's try one more. Chalo, let's try this one. What will be the fraction in this when I convert it? पहले क्या करेंगे?
7 को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है,
क्या आएगा?
7
7. फिर क्या करेंगे?
plus 2,
प्लस 2. क्या आएगा?
9,
9. So my answer will be
9 by 7,
9 by 7. Is it a proper fraction or improper fraction?
improper.
Improper fraction. Very good. So, did you get it what we do? How do we convert mixed fraction into normal fraction? Yes, Shanaya? समझ आया बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, चलो. आज के लिए we'll do this बस इतना ही. Otherwise it will be बहुत सारा ना. आज बहुत सारा पढ़ लिया. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Bye-bye. I'll see you next time.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.